Now in this lecture we are going to learn about the different settings that is important in Primavera P6 software. So in general, as you can see here, we have EPS ID, EPS name, responsible manager. So here responsible manager is Akib and Afaq. Project leveling priority, like we can change the priority of the project over here too. And project website URL. We can also add our project website URL to over here. Then we have a notebook. Here we can add or like add anticipated problems, core requirements, correction actions, current status, descriptions, enter criteria, exit criteria, justification, and all of these things in our notebook area. Then we have a budget log. So here we actually decide the budget of our project, like the current budget, original budget, current budget, proposed budget. So these are all the things which we can, for example, if we have a project and in this project our budget is like $25,000 and our current budget is original budget is 25 and the current budget is around 24 and proposed budget is this. So we have these two. Then we have a spending plan. So in spending plan we have to add like from 22 December to 23rd December what will be the spending plan. Then we have these are all the things that comes in the spending plan. Then we have a budget summary. That's another important things, as here we have unallocated, distributed current budget, current variances, total spending plan, undistributed current variances, total spending plan tally. So these are comes under budget summary. Then we have dates, like schedule date, like what will be the start date, what will be the end date. Dates actually comes in the schedule. So we are not going to touch this for now. Yeah, we are not going to touch this for now, but we will talk about this later on. Okay, so we have here we have a funding, that where will be the amount comes from. So we can like add the fundings, for example, and we have codes like project codes, different project codes. So these are all the things. Then we have defaults, and in default you can see here our project is like Lahore project calendar. Lahore project, yeah, I have already written this as Lahore project calendar, but we are not going to talk about this now. Then we have resources, assignment default, specify the default type for new assignment. Yep. Settings, and in the end calculation. So in this lecture we have learned the different settings in Primavera P6 software. In the next lecture we are going to work on our project. So let's see you in our next video.